In ClickUp, you can set your chat retention date. So basically, if you have this feature enabled, you can permanently delete or erase chats for a chosen duration that you want to set. And in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find this feature so that you can change that. So once you have upgraded plan, you can basically do that. Now let me show you. So if you click on your account on the upper right hand side, as you can see here, and click on settings, click in where it says security and permission on the left hand side. This is going to show you, if you scroll down a bit, a section for chat data retention. Here you can see it's set to never expire. That can be good, but if you want to delete stuff, go ahead and click the drop down. That's going to require you to have at least the enterprise plan to unlock the chat data retention feature. So just keep that in mind. But once you do that, you can easily change it. And you will be able to see that you can set it for 30 day, 90 day, 180, and even for a year. So just keep that in mind that if you want to change this, it's going to require you to have an enterprise plan. But that's how you can easily change it, guys. Very easy and very simple.